Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today we will talk about a beautiful love story. John is a soldier. He works for the army. His life is busy and full of rules. He trains every day and helps to keep people safe. One day, John takes a vacation. He goes back to his hometown near the beach. The sun is bright and the waves are calm. John feels relaxed. While walking, John sees a group of young people on the beach. They are having fun, talking, and laughing. One person catches his eye, a girl with long hair and a kind smile. Her name is Savannah. Savannah is not like other people John has met. She is sweet, smart, and cares about others. She works as a student volunteer, helping to build houses for people who need them. John and Savannah meet when Savannah's bag falls into the water. John jumps into the ocean to help her. Savannah laughs and says, "Thank you, hero." From that moment, they start talking. John tells her about his life in the army. Savannah shares her dreams of helping people and building a better world. They walk along the beach and talk for hours. The sky turns pink as the sun sets. Both feel something special. They feel a connection. John and Savannah spend the next 2 weeks together. They do many things. They eat ice cream while walking on the boardwalk. They watch the stars at night and talk about their favorite memories. They write their names in the sand and laugh when the waves wash them away. John feels different. For the first time in a long time, he feels happy and free. Savannah also feels happy. She loves John's kind heart and his brave soul. But time does not stop. John's vacation ends. He must return to the army. Savannah knows this, but her heart feels heavy. On the last day, John and Savannah sit on the beach. The waves crash softly, and the wind blows gently. Savannah looks at John and says, "I will miss you." John nods and holds her hand. He promises, "I will write to you. I will think about you every day." They hug for a long time, not wanting to let go. Finally, John leaves, and Savannah watches him walk away. John and Savannah start writing letters. Each letter is full of love and hope. John writes, "Dear Savannah, the army is hard, but your letters make me strong. I keep your picture in my pocket. I miss your smile. I count the days until I see you again." Savannah writes, "Dear John, I think about you every day. I tell my friends about you. They say you are very brave. I hope you are safe and happy." Their letters travel many miles. Each time Savannah sees a new letter, her heart feels warm. As time goes by, things become harder. John has to stay in the army longer than he planned. Savannah waits, but waiting is not easy. She feels lonely. Savannah writes about her life. She is busy with her studies and helping people. But sometimes she feels sad because John is far away. John is also tired. The army is difficult. He misses Savannah, but he cannot leave his job. One day, Savannah writes a new letter. This letter is different. It says, "Dear John, I love you, but waiting is very hard. I met someone here. He is kind and takes care of me. I am sorry, John. I hope you understand." John reads the letter and feels his heart break. He loves Savannah, but he knows she needs to be happy. Many months later, John visits his hometown again. He goes to the places he and Savannah loved: the beach, the coffee shop, and the park. While walking, he sees Savannah. She is with her new husband. They are smiling and happy. Savannah sees John and waves. She comes over to say hello. They talk for a while. John feels sad but also happy. He sees that Savannah is living a good life. Before leaving, Savannah says, "Thank you, John. You taught me what true love is. I will always remember you." John smiles and replies, "I will always wish the best for you." If you enjoyed the story, please like, subscribe, and share. What country are you from? Tell me in the comments below.